Did you know trains are a target for cybercriminals?
Imagine you are on the train. It is the morning and you're rushing to get to work. Then imagine you arrive at your stop, but the door is not opening. Well, now you're late for work. But imagine if the opposite occurs. The doors open while a speed train is on the move. This has a way more scary outcome, isn't it? And today, the reality is that it can actually happen if someone decides to hack the train.
Cybersecurity is now crucial for the railway sector.
This is a new field for railway sector. Cybersecurity has not been considered before. With new regulations upcoming, such as NIS2 for railway operators or Cyber Resilience Act for rail product manufacturers, the whole value chain of railway sector is affected by it, and they need to implement cybersecurity now.
But where do you start with railway cybersecurity?
It all starts with identifying what do you want to protect. If you are a railway operator, your main concern is to ensure stability and resilience of the railway operations, as our societies rely on railway for daily mobility, and railway nowadays plays a key role in sustainable future mobility. If you're a rail product manufacturer, your main goal is to deliver secure products upstream to your customers, such as train integrators or railway operators. And those are just two examples. But once you know what you want to protect, your next step is to actually identify where your current gaps are in terms of cybersecurity, and then based on that start building the roadmap to address those gaps.
Our cybersecurity experts can help you.
Currently, expertise of cybersecurity in rail are missing, so building these capabilities in-house is complicated. In this case, finding the right partner that has a combined knowledge of cybersecurity but also railway specifics is the key to meet those requirements and ensure overall resilience of rail sector.
In the end, it is all about raising your cyber resilience.
Important thing is to look beyond just compliance and ticking the box to meet the requirements. Yes, ensuring compliance is important and a great way to start with cybersecurity, but you always need to look at your actual risks. Think about your potential threat agents and build your defense as the threat landscape changes.
Do you want to strengthen your railway cybersecurity? Contact us today at secura.com/rail.